Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're breaking down the top sewing machines of 2025, covering everything from heavy-duty models to beginner-friendly options. Whether you're into quilting, embroidery, or garment making, we've got the right machine for you. And if you want to check any of these out, all the product links are in the description below. The Singer is an absolute powerhouse for heavy-duty sewing. Built for sewing thick fabrics like denim, leather, and canvas, it features a powerful motor that delivers 1,100 stitches per minute, ensuring fast and precise results. The heavy-duty metal frame provides excellent durability and stability, reducing vibrations even at high speeds. This machine comes with 32 built-in stitches, including basic, stretch, decorative, and buttonhole stitches, allowing you to tackle a wide variety of projects. It also includes a bonus accessory kit with extra presser feet, heavy-duty needles, and a walking foot, making it a top choice for crafters who need strength and versatility. Need a machine that handles thick fabrics effortlessly? Check the link in the description. For those looking for a high-performance, professional-grade sewing machine, the Janome MC6650 is a dream come true. This machine is designed for serious sewists and quilters, featuring a top-loading bobbin system, automatic thread tension, and a built-in needle threader for hassle-free sewing. It offers 170 built-in stitches, including decorative, quilting, and utility stitches, along with 2 alphabets for monogramming. The LCD touchscreen panel allows for easy stitch selection, while the speed control slider lets you adjust the sewing pace from slow precision work to high-speed stitching. The extra-large extension table makes quilting and larger sewing projects a breeze, and the independent bobbin winding motor saves time by allowing you to wind bobbins while sewing. Want a machine built for precision and speed? Check out the link below. If you're a beginner or an intermediate sewist, the Brother XR9550 is a fantastic option that combines ease of use with advanced functionality. This computerized sewing machine comes with 165 built-in stitches, including 8 one-step buttonholes, quilting stitches, and heirloom stitches, making it perfect for a wide range of sewing projects. The automatic needle threader and drop-in bobbin system make setup effortless, while the easy-to-read LCD display allows for simple stitch selection. It also includes a free motion quilting foot, making it a great option for those looking to get into quilting. With its lightweight design and included wide table, this machine is perfect for home use or travel. Looking for a user-friendly yet feature-packed sewing machine? Check the link in the description. The Singer M1150 is a compact yet versatile sewing machine, making it an excellent choice for small spaces, dorm rooms, or on-the-go sewing. It features 11 built-in stitches, including straight, zigzag, satin, and buttonhole stitches, allowing for basic repairs, garment alterations, and simple DIY projects. Its free arm design makes it easy to sew cuffs, sleeves, and pant hems, while the adjustable stitch length and width offer better control over different fabric types. The lightweight frame and carrying handle make it perfect for traveling sewists who need a portable option. If you're looking for a reliable, no-fuss sewing machine for everyday tasks, this is a great pick. Want a lightweight and easy-to-use sewing machine? Grab it from the link below. For professionals and those working on high-demand sewing projects, the StitchMaster Pro is an industrial-grade sewing machine built for speed, durability, and precision. This machine offers fully automatic thread trimming, an extra powerful motor for sewing thick materials, and a programmable stitch control system that allows for customized settings. With 1,500 stitches per minute, it is one of the fastest sewing machines available, ensuring efficiency in high-production environments. The heavy-duty all-metal construction ensures long-lasting durability, while the large work area accommodates quilting, upholstery, and large garment projects. If you're working on commercial sewing, leather crafting, or detailed embroidery work, the StitchMaster Pro will handle anything you throw at it. Need an industrial-grade sewing machine for professional use? Check the link in the description. Which one do you think suits you best? Drop a comment below, and if you're ready to buy, all the product links are in the description. Thanks for watching. If you love tech reviews and sewing tips, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more.